Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to introduce you to the wonderful world of the keto diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your overall health, or simply try something new, the keto diet might be just what you need. So, let's dive in and explore the basics of this popular low-carb, high-fat approach to eating. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what the keto diet is all about. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating plan that puts your body into a state of ketosis. In this state, your body turns to fat as its primary source of fuel, instead of relying on carbohydrates. By limiting your carb intake, you can achieve various benefits, such as weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. Now, let's talk about what you can eat on a keto diet. The key is to focus on foods that are low in carbohydrates but high in healthy fats. Think of it as a diet that prioritizes avocado, nuts and seeds, olive oil, butter, fatty fish, meat, and low-carb vegetables. By including these foods in your meals, you'll feel satisfied and provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs. Meal planning is a crucial aspect of the keto diet. Let's take a look at what a typical keto meal might look like. For breakfast, you could have scrambled eggs cooked in butter with avocado and spinach. For lunch, a grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing and a side of steamed broccoli. And for dinner, how about a delicious piece of salmon with roasted asparagus and a generous dollop of guacamole? The possibilities are endless. One of the reasons why people are drawn to the keto diet is its potential for weight loss. By reducing carb intake, your body enters ketosis, a metabolic state where fat becomes the primary source of energy. This can lead to significant weight loss, particularly in the form of body fat. However, it's essential to remember that individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. In addition to weight loss, the keto diet has been linked to various health benefits. Some studies suggest that it may help improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases like diabetes and heart disease. However, it's important to approach the keto diet as a tool for overall wellness and complement it with regular exercise and a well-balanced lifestyle. Now, let's address a common concern: can you still enjoy snacks and treats on a keto diet? Absolutely. While traditional snacks like chips and cookies might be off the table, there are plenty of keto-friendly options available. You can indulge in delicious snacks like nuts, cheese, olives, and even dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. And for those moments when you're on the go, there are convenient keto meal replacement shakes and bars to keep you fueled. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key takeaways from our introduction to the keto diet. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that aims to put your body into a state of ketosis. It can help with weight loss, provide various health benefits, and offers a wide range of delicious food options. Remember to plan your meals, consult with a healthcare professional, and make sure to maintain a well-balanced lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the basics of the keto diet. We hope this introduction has sparked your interest and inspired you to learn more. Remember, with the right knowledge and approach, the keto diet can be a fulfilling and sustainable way of eating. Stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and insights on our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, happy cooking and stay keto.